Dear students, uh, good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss few more molecule problem of more molecule problems, how to solve the NMR of that problems. So we will see the data first, then the spectra, uh, and then we will try to solve the problem. Now, see the data. Here, spectrum 1H NMR. The problem molecular formula is C8H8O2. You can see there are four type of environments, and how many protons are there we have to count first. See, there are 8 proton in the molecular formula. See, first see it is matching with the data given provided to you. The data is 2H, 1H, 3H, that plus 2, 5H plus 3, that is 8H. 8 proton data you have been provided. Now see the signal where it came. This one is a singlet. You can see the singlet, 3H singlet, this one singlet, and the value is 3.58. 3.58 means definitely it is attached to some electronegative group. What is the electronegative group here? The electronegative group is oxygen here. So we can say this singlet 3H attached to one oxygen, that is OCH3. So let's see what is the problem. We can now write that one OCH3 is there. So directly we'll write OCH3. OCH3. This will definitely will provide a singlet. This singlet. This will be singlet. And the data is definitely is around 4. This around 4 ppm. Delta value 4 ppm. Now we can see in our spectra this is 3.58, that is for around 3.6 and singlet. So we got one OCH3 here, OCH3. Now next let's see what is the other peak, other 5 peak. Where is it? Is the other 5 peak is 2H, one triplet, 2H doublet, one another triplet, and all the value you can see the chemical shift, the delta value chemical shift is 7.78, that is definitely aromatic, and 7.22, that is also aromatic, and 7.11, that is aromatic. So you can see there are 3 type of aromatic proton, and if you calculate the BDE, double bond equivalent, in for this formula you will get 4. That's double bond equivalent is 4. So you put in the formula whatever you learn in the first year of your basic class. So if you put this formula, you will get double bond equivalent equal to 4. So 4 double bond equivalent, and this is the molecular formula. Definitely benzene ring is there. In benzene ring there are 3 double bond in the benzene ring, plus the ring, cyclic ring is another equivalent to double bond, that is 4. So in this molecule we can say there is a benzene ring, and the benzene ring you can see there are 5 proton. So if benzene ring 5 proton is available, so definitely benzene ring is what is the benzene ring? Benzene ring is 6 carbon, and it is mono substituted. If benzene ring is mono substituted, then only you are getting 5 proton. And mono substituted we will get there are 3 type of proton, and there are 2 type of identical proton, and one is para proton is definitely different. And let's see what are that proton we can draw. So let's draw a cycle, and here this is the benzene ring, and benzene ring having one ring, that is one double bond equivalent, and we can draw this is the another double bond, here is another double bond, here is another double bond, and this is monosubstituted, and already one is OCH3, and in this molecule we having this hydrogen and orthos hydrogen, that is equivalent, and meta hydrogen is equivalent, and there is a para hydrogen. So one mirror from here, if you draw a mirror, we can take a different color, and one mirror from this 1 and 4 position, you can see this is the mirror image of this one, and this is the mirror image of this one, and this is the para position. So how many carbon we got now till now there are 6 carbon and 7 carbon, and the molecule having 8 carbon and another oxygen. So, and let's see the value of the signal. The value is 4.17, 4.78. 4.78 is much decelerated. Means the proton 4.78 is the ortho position of some group that is highly electron withdrawing. So, and we already got 7 carbon. The another carbon that all the hydrogen is solved now. Then another carbon is there. That carbon don't have any hydrogen. So what type of that? That is carbonyl. So in this molecule, whatever we drawn in this molecule, if we draw here a double bond carbon here. So let's take here and here double bond, and so this is carbon. Now if we attach this group here, then you see there are now 8 carbon. This is carbon. So here 2 carbon and another 6 carbon, and 2 oxygen. And how many hydrogen is there? 3 hydrogen and 8 hydrogen. So we got C8H. Already we solved H8, and oxygen is 2. And we already solved the NMR problem. So this is the structure of this is the solution of the NMR problem. So this is carboxylic acid ester, methyl ester of carboxylic acid, means benzoic acid, methyl ester of benzoic acid. Let's see another problem. So we can solve another problem. Here there is a C8H8O3. See, before problem it was C8H8O2 was there. Now O3 is there. Now you see all are same almost, but the formula on O is increased. And now let's see what is the NMR spectra, and let's count 8 hydrogen is there or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8 carbon. And how many different type of carbons are there? Let's see. Different type of means one hydrogen, that is 9.979. That is definitely aldehyde. Means you can write CHO. One aldehyde, we are writing one aldehyde CHO. We will write CHO. So CHO group. Now we have written CHO. Let's see what is the other group we can. So there are 2 aromatic and 3 aromatic, and probably there are 4 aromatic. Or let's first forget aromatic group. Let's take singlet. There are 3 3 singlet proton, 3.9. 3.9 singlet, just last problem also you have seen the 3.9, that is O hydroxy group is there. 3.9 O hydroxy, O CH3. So OCH3. So on 4, there are 4 hydrogen gone. 4 hydrogen is over. Now from BDE calculation we can find there are the problem. There are 4 and 5. The 5 double bond equivalent is there. 5 double bond equivalent. Double bond DB. Double bond. So one double bond is here. You got aldehyde on double bond, and this is benzene ring. Another 4 double bond. 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, and one is singlet. One is singlet. One is singlet. So one is singlet. So in aromatic hydrogen, there are 2 and 3, maybe 4. But if you write 4, then there is a problem. Then there will be 3. If you write 4, so one substituted. Let's write CH3. Sorry, OCH3. OCH3. And we can write a aldehyde group. We don't know where is it. Let's write O aldehyde group. Now see aldehyde group. So how many? There are already 8 carbon gone. We have 8 carbon, 8 hydrogen. And how many we got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we write this one, then we are unable to get the formula. 8. This one 8, and O2 we got. O2. Now we have to arrange. We have to arrange one hydrogen, one oxygen here. So if we replace any of the hydrogen, any of the group with, see, 1, 2 oxygen is there, another oxygen is there only. So if you replace one group with which, then here hydrogen you take here, then now you can see there are 3 aromatic hydrogen, 1 OH hydrogen, and other is there. So now what is the formula? This is the OCH3, 1, 2, 3 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, 1, 2, 3 oxygen, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the 1, 3, 4, 5, and in the aromatic there are 4. Let's see the aromatic peaks. There are 3 aromatic peaks, and one is the singlet. And if you do this one, and this one, and here this one is not definite. So this aromatic 2 and one is singlet. See, doublet, 2 doublet. Now one thing is there. Now this aldehyde is here, or this OH is here or here, that is the matter. So aldehyde is, oxygen is here or no, both is available. You have to clarify with you have to define, or you have to a little bit elaborate why this is here or here. You can write this is here or here. So this is the molecular formula. This is the problem. So here you see OCH3, O oxygen, this one, this one, this one. Now see O1 singlet, this is singlet, and doublet, two doublet. This one will be doublet, this one will be doublet. This one hydrogen, and one uh, see doublet on, and this will be singlet. This will be singlet. So this one singlet, this one singlet, this one doublet, and this one the singlet. So there are three. Oh, okay. So this one will be now. This one will be a singlet. Singlet. So sometimes this is coming broad, or sometimes it is not coming actually. And actually this OH sometimes merge with this one, and it is sometimes it is not showing also. It is not OH is sometimes not showing. So this is the your solution of the problem. Okay, thank you very much.